We've all heard the saying, time is money, but have you ever stopped to consider, what are you actually doing with your time? The Greeks said moderation in all things is key to a happy life. But in today's world, many of us struggle to balance work, family, and personal goals, often feeling like we just don't have enough time. The truth is, when you feel like time is slipping away, that's exactly when you need to pause and ask yourself a critical question. What would I do if I only had 6 months to live? Segment 1. Life priorities. Let's be honest, most of us don't spend enough time with the people who matter most. Whether it's family, friends, or those who support you, if your first instinct is to work more or fill your time with other tasks, ask yourself, would I spend more time with loved ones if I had only 6 months left? Think about it. No one ever looks back from their deathbed and says, I wish I'd spent more time at the office. Life is about balance. Time spent working hard should ultimately support the goal of enjoying the things that really matter. Your relationships, your health, your happiness. Segment 2. Imagine your ideal life. Let's take it a step further. Imagine you're financially independent with $20 million in the bank, but you only have 10 years left to live. You're in excellent health, but you can't just sit around and do nothing. You still need purpose. What career or field would you pursue? If money wasn't an issue, what would you work on, and how would you spend your time? The key takeaway here is, it's never too late to start something new. Begin by researching, learning, or trying out that new field. Do it part-time, work for free if you have to. Take the first step. Many people have shifted from unfulfilling jobs to careers they're passionate about, and you can too. Segment 3, the law of 3. Here's a productivity hack that has changed the way I work, and it's something anyone can apply. The law of 3. It's simple. Look at everything on your to-do list and identify the top 3 tasks that contribute the most value to your life and goals. You'll find that there are only 3 things that truly matter in any area of your life, whether it's work, health, or relationships. Ask yourself, if I could only do one thing today, which task would have the biggest impact on my goals? If I could do just 2 things, what's the second most important? And if I could do 3 things, which would be number 3? Once you identify these, focus on them. Everything else is secondary. Segment 4, the 4 Ds for time mastery. To make this work, there are 4 key principles. The 4 Ds. Desire. You need a burning desire to improve your time management. Decision. Decide to master this skill and commit to it. Discipline. Time management requires self-discipline. It's about repeating the process consistently. Determination. Persistence is key. It's not about being perfect. It's about staying focused long enough to see results. Master these and you'll see improvements in all areas of your life, from your productivity to your overall happiness. Segment 5, results over time. Here's the thing. You are paid not for how much time you work, but for the results you produce. Success is determined by your ability to get results. It's the law of cause and effect. You get what you create. So instead of putting in more hours, focus on producing high-quality results. Let's face it, most people work at only 50% of their capacity. Many of us waste time on low-value activities, chatting, procrastinating, checking social media. But if you can focus on just the important stuff, you'll quickly move ahead of others. Segment 6, focus and concentration. Now here's a game changer. Focus is the key to success. In fact, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and other top performers say it's the single most important trait for achieving your goals. Focus means getting clear on what you want to accomplish and then working on that one thing without distractions until it's done. The best time management strategy isn't about doing more. It's about doing fewer things, but doing the right things. Focus on your top 3 tasks and concentrate on them until completion. Segment 7, task completion is power. Here's the key, completion is power. The most successful people don't just start tasks, they finish them. Every time you complete something important, your confidence, energy, and self-esteem grow. Completing tasks releases endorphins, which make you happier, more alert, and even boost your immune system. So focus on completing your most important tasks, not just ticking off little ones that don't move you toward your bigger goals. Segment 8, the law of 3, a final takeaway. The law of three is simple, yet life-changing. If you want to boost your productivity and get ahead, do fewer things, but do the most important things more often, and get better at them. It's that simple. Identify your top 3 tasks, work on them relentlessly, and watch your results multiply. Remember, time is your most precious resource. Don't waste it waiting for the perfect time. Start now, focus on what truly matters, and get clear about the tasks that will move you forward. Master your time, and you'll master your life. If you're ready to stop waiting and start living, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What are the 3 most important things you should be focusing on right now?